The blessed birth of Prophet Muhammad. 70 CE, in the holy city of Mecca, a child was born who would change the course of history. His name was Muhammad, the last and final messenger of Allah. Muhammad's father, Abdullah, passed away before his birth, leaving him an orphan. His grandfather, Abdul Muttalib, cared for him until his own demise. Then, Muhammad's uncle, Abu Talib, became his guardian. Muhammad's birth marked the beginning of a divine mission. Little did the world know that this child would bring the message of monotheism, compassion, and justice. Before Muhammad's birth, a powerful Abyssinian king named Abraha attempted to destroy the Kaaba in Mecca. Allah miraculously protected the sacred house by sending birds carrying stones to defeat Abraha's army. This event is known as the Year of the Elephant and serves as a backdrop to the birth of the Prophet. After Muhammad's birth, he was entrusted to a Bedouin woman named Halima. Despite her own poverty, Halima found blessings in caring for the young orphan. The barren land around her home flourished, and her livestock thrived. The splitting of Muhammad's chest as a child. Muhammad was playing with other boys. When Angel Gabriel, appeared. The angel held him, opened his chest, and purified his heart. This event symbolized the purity and prophethood bestowed upon him. The return to Amina. After several years with Halima, Muhammad returned to his mother, Amina. Sadly, Amina passed away when he was only 6 years old, leaving him doubly orphaned. Muhammad's uncle, Abu Talib, became his guardian. Abu Talib loved and protected him, even during difficult times. The birth of Prophet Muhammad shows that how an orphan child lived life without parents.